It looks like same, but it's not the same. One is a Ti-Base and broke because due to long span bridge. The other one is a 7-star. You saw the old video. We covered it up. And now is the final cement and then ready to send to doctor's office. So this is your Syton 7-star cases.
Okay. Yeah, maybe another case.
Alright.
Or morning, probably morning.
This one is showing the frame design.
Yeah.
Alright, so occlusions, we made it really slim compared to this. This is fat. It's really fat. For occlusion, we follow this. Nice color. This is the implant site. The contact. So here's the dentures. We saw the donators or the PFM. So I think looks like they need new implant. All right, cool. This is the Syton 7-star case, either the milling machine, which is chrome cover. This is a UCLA gold from the Zimmer, so cannot scan. So this is wax prototypes. We're building with a pattern, so we can casting that one. So one way is the old style, but here's a new style with these cases. It's 4 implants, so it's long span. And we make the thinnest possible for the frame design like this, right? So we can achieve these really good thickness. And this one is to finish the cases, the frame design, same as this. Okay, which is the 8 implant, but one will going to sleep, and the other one is really opaque. The 4 implant is really suitable for the Syton 7-star instead of the zirconia. And the other one is the fabricated now zirconia coping top of that. So we make the 1x1 individual crowns for zirconia. The other case is ready to go to scan. You see, long span. And here is the last case though. It's another upper. See the implants, long spans, really thin. That's their benefit. Now, so lucky to share with all Syton 7-star cases coming up. Case from the Michigan, Dr. Sharitha Uchil, ClearChoice in Florida, and the Dr. Dan Lafferty in New Mexico, Dr. Erik Svans from Arizona, and the other one, Dr. Niloufar Rezakhani from Florida. Case, this one top and bottom's full mouth zirconia case was, and that one is a cracking between the teeth. From here, it's a long span, but the patient would like to get the thinnest possible to linger area, so we switch it with Syton 7-star case. The detailed design. Of course, we make it really thin as possible. Then underneath, we're going to get the porcelain fused metal. Anyway, so really detailed design for this especially plastic area. It's before after case. This is a framework. This is Ti-Base with zirconia. There's actually half crack here. Right? Goes very thin. So now we applied another Syton 7-star case as thin as possible. Okay. Whenever got this, and when we make it thick as possible, it's not a problem. As thin as possible, that is the issue. Alright, so top and bottom, it's metal ceramic with the zirconia restorations. Alright. It looks like same, but it's not the same. One is a Ti-Base and broke because due to long span bridge. The other one is a 7-star. You saw the old video. We covered it up. So now is the final cement and they're ready to send to doctor's office. The final restorations and the matching the upper. Now we can deliver it to this Syton 7 stars. It's very thin. We don't have any problem in the future, so we'll make soft guard for them. Anyway, that one is just nice. Another alternations, finals, full mouth restoration. Thanks for watching my video.